Morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. And once again, you all welcome back in GK class. And this is my first video of this week. Children, in this video, once again, I am going to revise you the taught chapter. Okay. So today, in this video, you all are going to do the revision. So children, so today you all will do the blank. You all have to fill the blank space with compound nouns. But before, children, you should know, and already I have explained, but once again I am just telling you all what is compound noun. What do you mean by compound nouns? So children, compound nouns are made by joining two words together. Yes, in this word we make a new word. We formed a new word by joining two different words, as you can see here, like table, cloth, table, table, cloth. Table is a different word and cloth is a different word, but when you add together, it forms a new word, that is a called compound word, or you can say compound noun. So compound nouns are made by the joining two words together, like you can say snowflake, heartbeat, okay, basketball, football, newspaper. Like you can see news plus paper is equal to newspaper. News plus paper is equal to newspaper. News, it means, children, you all get information of your society, of your countries, or outside of the countries. And paper, there you can write anything. Okay, so but when you will add together, it will form a new word, that is your newspaper. It means news, and this news will be written on paper, and whenever you will read, that is called newspaper. So what you can see here, children, you can see whenever you will two different words, it will be whenever you will add together, it will be made a new word, that is called compound noun, or you can say compound word. It means compound, it means we have to add together and we will make a new word. Understood? So let's see, in this video you all are going to do the related to this topic, the exercise. Like first question, you have to fill what compound word, or you can say compound noun. Like written is here is written, I like to play. I like to play. And also it has written here, given the picture. Okay, so what? Football. Yes, I like to play football. Spelling of football, children: FOOT, foot, BALL, ball, football. And football, children, football is a compound. It has also formed by the two different words. For first one is foot. First word is foot. Second is ball. Okay, so foot, by the foot you can walk, you can stand, you can run. And ball, by the help of balls you can play cricket. So but whenever you will add together, it will make a new word, that is called football. And football is also, it is the other name of football is called soccer. Okay, it is the most played and most watched sport on earth. Football is the most played and most, okay, watched sports on television. So what you have seen, children, you all have seen here, the what football is a single but word, but it has added by the two words, foot plus ball. And these two words are has different meaning. Okay, so whenever you will add, it will make a new word. So I like to play football. So you all have to fill a compound noun, that is a football. I like to play football. Also you can write basketball. Okay, because basket plus ball, it will be make a basketball. Okay, and basket is a different, ball is different, but whenever you will add together, it will form a new word, that is called what? That will call the compound noun, or you can say compound word, BASKET. BASKET. K-E-T. Basket, B-A-L-L, ball. Basketball, B-A-S-K-E-T, B-A-L-L, ball. I like to play football. I like to play basketball. But you remember, you all will remember, children, always here you all have to fill a compound word. That should be the, it will be formed by the two different words with a single words. Understood? Now move to the next. Like Aman likes to eat an. And what is this? Aman likes to eat an. And it means what? That word it should be start with vowel. Yes. So Aman likes to eat an ice cream. Spelling of ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. What you all have seen, children, in this word? Ice cream. And children, also you all know it is very popular food all over the world. Yes, it is an frozen food that is made from milk, chocolate and other ingredients. There are different types of flavor in the ice creams like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Okay, but here I am talking about the this word is also it has formed by the two words ice, you can see ice plus cream. Okay, whenever you will add together it will be make a new word, that is your ice plus cream is equal to ice cream. Okay, children. So what you all have to fill here you all have to fill a compound word or compound noun. So what will you write here? Aman likes to eat an ice cream. Aman likes to eat an ice cream. Okay, children. Now move to the next. My favorite fruit is. Children, already it has heading it has given. You all will fill a compound word. It means there it should be the fruit name will be the compound noun. Okay. So like you can see, my favorite fruit is, and this is the picture of watermelon. Watermelon. What do you know about this, children? Watermelon is a juicy fruit and it is sweet and large in size, and also it is a great source of vitamin vitamin A. It is very healthy fruits and it is also juicy fruits. So what my favorite fruit is watermelon. WATER. Water. MELON. And children, what you all have seen here is also it has added by the it has formed by the two different words like water plus melon. Water picture as you can see, and this is a picture of melon. Whenever you will add together it will make a new word that will call watermelon. So my favorite fruit is watermelon. Understood? Now fourth number, we should always walk on the footpath. Yes, children, we should or you should always walk on the footpath. F-O-O-T, foot, P-A-T-H, path. And this is also a compound word. How? Like foot is a different word and path is a different word. Whenever you will add together, it will be formed a new word, that is a footpath. Children, yes, you should always walk on the footpath. You should never run or walk on the road. Okay, on the busy road. So now after that, move to the next, children. Fifth number. Dash is a tiny fish which look like a tiny horse. Yes, I am talking about the seahorse. Seahorse. SEACHORSE. Horse. Yes, children. Seahorse is a tiny fish and which look like a, yes, it will look like a tiny horse. Its head will look like a tiny horse. And also, children, the name of the word seahorse are tiny. The name of seahorse is given because of the shape of the head which look like the head of tiny horse. That's why it has named a seahorse. Seahorse is a type of fish. Okay, its head look like a tiny horse, and this is also formed by the two words sea plus horse. Sea is the is a water bodies. Okay, and horse is a animal's name, but whenever you will add together, it will be make a new word, that is a what? Seahorse. And seahorse is a tiny fish which look like a tiny horse. Understood? Now move to the next. Dash is a yellow flower and used to make vegetable oil. And also you can see this is a picture of sunflower. And also no children, there you all have to fill that what? Compound word. So sunflower is a compound word. How you can see? Say children, like sun plus flower. Sun is a big ball of fire and flower is a what? About the flowers is a different word, but whenever you will add together, it will be formed a new word, that is called sunflower. And sunflower is yellow in color and it is used to make a vegetable oils, and also some it is used to make perfumes. Understood? So now this is the pic. What will you fill here? Sunflower is yellow. Yellow sunflower is a yellow flower and used to make vegetable oil. Now we use dash in rainy season. What you all have to use, children? Yes, raincoat. Raincoat. RAIN. Spelling of raincoat. RAIN. First rain spelling. Then you add coat. 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 Raincoat. And what do you know about these children? Raincoat is and often used as protection on during rainy days. Okay, and same as umbrella, but the only difference is that you can wear the raincoat, protect your what? It will be protect your entire body from the getting wet. So raincoat, we use raincoat in rainy season. And why we are writing here raincoat? Because already I have told you all have to fill with a compound word. So it has also formed by the two different words, like rain plus coat. Rain plus coat, it will be called raincoat. Raincoat, we use raincoat in rainy season. Okay, and it helps to it protect to getting wet. Understood? Now move to the next. Dash sucks the nectar of flowers to make honey. What do you know about this? Yes, what will you write here? Honeybee. HONEY. 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 BEE. Honey sucks nectar of flowers to make honey. It is also formed by the two words honey plus bee is equal to honeybee. Okay, children. So these are the work which you all have to complete. Also is there dash is an beautiful insect which has different colors. It is also formed by the two word butter plus fly. It will be make butterfly. Butter BUTTER. Butter FLY. Fly. Butterfly is a sorry, here is a butterfly is a beautiful insect. There is written and you just write only a. Why? Because b is a consonant, not a vowel. So there you will write a only. Sunflower, sorry, but butterfly is a beautiful insect which has different colors. Understood, children? Now after that, now these are the work which you all have to complete it in your copy. Now some more work, that is, why do we use the followings? Like you can see there is will be the it will be given the what? Tools. And you all know, children, why do we use tools? We use tools to make our work easier. So from the words from this picture, you just identify which type of picture is this, write their names, and then you write why do we use this type of tools. Like here is a picture of knife, and spelling of knife KNIFE, knife. What will you write about this? Only one sentence you can write. Why do we use? We use knife to cut vegetables and fruits. Understood? Now also next one is here, like you can say stethoscope. Spelling of stethoscope STESTE. This is the picture of stethoscope. STETHOSCOPE. Cope, stethoscope. And children, it is stethoscope is a medical instrument used in listening to sound produced within the body. And doctor may hear normal breathing sounds, decrease or absent breath sound. Okay, so it is used to listening to the heartbeat sounds. Understood, children? Now, after that, this is the picture of hammer, and hammers, spelling of hammer, HAMMER. Hammer. Hammers are used for general carpentry, framing, nail pulling. We use different types of hammer like claw hammer, ball peen, okay, and also club hammer. So in one line you can say we all hammer is used to drive in nails. Hammer is used to drive in nails. Okay, children. Now, after that, this is the picture of scissors. SCISSORS, scissors. And what do you know about this, children? Scissors. Scissors, a pair of scissors is used to cut clothes, and it is used to cutting various thin material like such as paper, rope, wires, and so on. So it is used to cut the clothes, and also some thin what we're also cutting various thin materials such as already I have told you. Now, after that, here is the picture of axe. Spelling of axe, AXE. Axe is a hand tool. It is used to cut trees. So only one sentence we can write. It is axe is used to cut trees, and okay, and also in different shape. So what do you know about? Already I have told you, children. So now, children, today in this video you all are going to get the two work. First, you all will fill the compound nouns, okay, and then after identify these pictures and write the uses of these pictures. Okay, it means like you will write the uses of knife, stethoscope. Okay, now also what have the okay. So children, I hope you all have understood whatever I have explained. So today once again I would like to tell you thank you for watching this video till end. I hope it will be helpful to complete your work. So once again, thank you and have a good wonderful day. Bye bye you all.